using this wax by Ben Nye. And what you want to do to start is you want to get a ball of wax about that big and place it on the area you're going to be using. Start to smooth it out on the skin. It doesn't matter if this isn't perfect at this stage, it can be changed later on. Once you're happy with it, you need to get a tool to make an incision. I'm using these tweezers as I find that tweezers don't pull the wax away from the skin. So you make a cut down the middle and then kind of pull it apart to make it open. The next thing you want to do is you want to get some red eyeshadow. I'm using a Revolution palette, but it doesn't matter what you use. And just dab around the edges to give it a bit of colour. Like that. I'm next going to be using a dark red paint. And again, I'm going to get some on my finger and dab around the edges. It doesn't matter if it's coming out in clumps, as it looks like blood clots. This makes the cut a bit more darker, like that. The next thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use Fresh Scab, which is also by Ben Nye. When it dries, it actually dries like a scab. So I'm going to dab it on to start. Like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some black face paint, and I'm going to colour down the middle of the cut. It doesn't matter too much if you go over the edges, you can fix that later. The black paint adds some depth to the cut, like so. I'm then going to get this Stage Blood by Ben Nye and add it to the middle of the cut. And that is my finishing product.